Assalamu alaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Windows can't communicate with the device. Restart the PC. Click Start menu. Click on the settings icon. Select Windows Update. Then click on Check for updates. If there is any update, it will start updating the PC. Right click Start menu. Then select Device Manager. Then select the network adapter. Find your Wi-Fi drivers. Right click Wi-Fi driver. Then select Update driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Click Close. Right click Wi-Fi driver. Then select Update drivers. Select Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick. Click Next. Click Close. Click Start menu. Then type CMD. Click Run as administrator. Then type command. Click Enter. 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 Right click Start menu. Then select Run. Then type ncpa.cpl. Click Enter. In the internet connection, right click at Ethernet. Select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click the Properties button. Now choose the options Obtain IP address automatically and choose Obtain DNS server automatically. Click OK. Select Internet Protocol version 6. Click the Properties button. Now choose the options Obtain IP address automatically and choose Obtain DNS server automatically. Click Close. Thanks for watching.